Okay, so Chainsaw Man 133. Man, Fujimoto really knows how to just mess with us every week by giving us the exact opposite type of chapter that we would have expected. And seeing Denji and Nayuta reunited and seeing how happy he was and how protective he is of her, it's really heartwarming to see. It makes you want nothing to happen to her. I'm really interested in where they're gonna go from here because Denji really didn't take Yoshida's threats very seriously. So I'll be interested to see, whether he's going to follow up on that immediately. Are we going to get Denji turning into Chainsaw Man and breaking that commitment immediately next week? Are we going to get a bit of a cooldown period? I don't know. Fujimoto, you crazy man.